This video shows how to buy shares of AgEagle Aerial Systems Inc, ticker UAVS. AgEagle develops drones and aerial data solutions for precision agriculture and trades on NASDAQ. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker UAVS to find AgEagle Aerial Systems Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct UAVS listing. Check market hours and recent trading data before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details carefully and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After your trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description for reference.